Okay, let's now talk about Skillshare referrals and why it is one of the best way, if not the best way, to make money from Skillshare coming up. So okay, actually referrals is the best way to make money from Skillshare if you don't have any courses or if you don't want to make any courses. And yes, if you didn't know that, you can actually make money from Skillshare even without uploading a single video, and it is an amazing thing to do. How you can actually make money from Skillshare? You can make money from Skillshare by referring the students, meaning that you are making other people to sign up to Skillshare Premium as a student, and for that Skillshare is paying you $10 flat out fee. This is just a flat out $10 per student who will sign up for the Skillshare Premium. And probably this is one of the best examples of affiliate marketing today on internet, and it is a great affiliate marketing offer because it is pretty easy to convert, meaning that it is pretty easy to give your links to the end user and for them to sign up to Skillshare Premium, because the value that they get for the price that they pay is pretty high, and a lot of people are gladly doing that despite if they think it's good or bad. And probably this is the most stable and certain income on Skillshare that you can make. I'm not saying that it's stable because you're gonna make the same amount of money from month to month, or you're gonna stably increase the amount of income from referrals every single month, but you actually know exactly how much you will be paid for the next month for the referrals you actually got to the Skillshare Premium, unlike the Skillshare courses where you don't know exactly until you are gonna get paid on the day of the payment. So how you can actually start making money from Skillshare referrals? So it is pretty easy, and let me just explain. When you register in Skillshare, despite you being an instructor or not, you have an access to the tab called Refer a Friend. Then in order to access this tab, all you need to do is go on Skillshare, press your icon there and press Refer a Friend. That's all that you need, and you will be immediately taken to the referral tab of Skillshare's stats, teacher stats, or whatever, Skillshare analytics or account stats, whatever you want to call it. And all you need to do is share this link, and when people will click this link and if they will sign up for the Skillshare Premium, they actually get 2 months for free with this link. You're going to get $10 from each and every individual that people will sign up. Pretty easy, right? Yes, it's actually pretty simple. And if you are an influencer, or if you are the person who creates a bunch of courses, or if you creates a bunch of content on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, or whatever you are doing, it is pretty simple because a lot of people already know you, and when you said it, you have courses on Skillshare, or when you just tell them to sign up for Skillshare, people will usually sign up because 2 months for free is enough for people to understand how valuable Skillshare is, and they start paying money for the Skillshare Premium without any problem. But personal links is only good if you have a personal brand around you and people know you and trust you. The better way to promote the Skillshare Premium is through your own courses, of course. If you have a course, all you need to go is go to Teach tab again, go to the classes you are teaching. All you need to do is go, for example, choose whatever class, just press edit, whatever class you choose, and go to the Promote tab, and you will have this link right here. If you promote this link, when someone will click this link, they will be taken directly to your course, and they will be offered to upgrade to Premium because this course is only available for free Premium, and they will have an access for free for 2 months on any course on Skillshare, including the course that you are promoting. And people usually sign up to this because, again, it is very good value. But now they are getting to the Skillshare not because of you, but because of your course or information that course will provide to them. And it is incredibly great value, and you're getting premium minutes watched from this, and you're getting $10 paid, which is a win-win for you and for them because they watch the course and they sign up for an amazing service that they will use for really long time. But there is a third option as well, to share the links on Skillshare, and this option is the best option if you don't have any courses. You know why? Because you can share the links from any courses on Skillshare. You don't need to have any courses. Just go to the Skillshare and choose whatever you want. Let's say I want to choose this course right here. I'm gonna press this one. I'm not gonna play the video, of course, and all I need to do is to go down right here and press this share button right here. Press the share button and press this link button right here, and you will have this link. You can copy this link and share whatever they want, and people will be taken to this class right here, not your class, but this class, and they will have an ability to watch this class and subscribe to the class through the Skillshare Premium, and you will get $10 for that, which is amazing. You don't even need to have a course. But what do you need to share these links? What do you need actually to really start making money from this? Well, you need to share links somewhere. You need to ask people to sign up through a link somehow. You can send these links to the people that you know and ask them to sign up for the Skillshare and tell them it's amazing thing, etc, etc. But usually people are not gonna sign up. They don't want to do this because yeah, it's things. But yeah, you'll go and send this to all the people that you know, and then what? That's it. That's all that you get. This is not a recurring income. You're gonna get paid $10. Okay, we'll sign up 10 people. You'll get $100. That's it. You probably want to make this more regular, and for that you will need to have content somewhere. You need to have some type of access point to the audiences. There can be a bunch of different things that you could do. You can go and create a YouTube channel. You can have an Facebook account, Facebook page. You can go and have an Instagram page. You can have a blog. You can have a Pinterest page. You can have whatever you want, but you will need to have a content. No matter what content, just content. And you will need to include the links to the Skillshare in your description, but these links should be relevant. For example, to the course that you think which is good, or the course that you took and you highly advise, or for the course that people will actually use, etc, etc. Just it should be relevant, guys. Do not post just for irrelevancy, just for it to be there. Even though if just being there, it might actually still generate you some link clicks and some referrals. And for the love of God, do not spam your Skillshare links in the comments anywhere. They just do not appear. It's special on YouTube. They just do not appear. When you post your links on YouTube comments, it goes immediately to spam, or it's held for review. You are not being seen. You think that your comments are there and you are spamming, and you are just getting your account under the spam, and your comments will be banned everywhere eventually. Why would you do that? You are just making yourself a disservice. Do not share the Skillshare link in the comments. Even people are sharing their Skillshare referral codes in my comment section. Why would you do that? Why? Don't you know how it works? No, this is not how it works. Nobody would click that. Why would somebody click the link from someone who have no idea what the link is for and does it regardless, without any context in the comment section? Why? Just don't do that. Just don't do this, because it doesn't work. All you need to do is just to use the affiliate marketing principles and share your link everywhere you can without breaking the rules. Just don't break the rules, because this is not a good thing to do. By the way, if you want me to make some videos about affiliate marketing, very basic affiliate marketing, because I'm not an expert as well, I just do and make some extra income from it, you can comment down below and I'll probably make the video if you want it, of course. Well, this will be it for today. Again, referrals are very good for Skillshare, and I highly suggest to jump on the Skillshare referral bandwagon. This will be it for today. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want more videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.